What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I've been saying this for a while, and I'll say it again. The reason why some of you are losing money in the financial markets is not because you're not capable of making money, but the reason I'm gonna give you guys this thing like I do to my mentees, okay? Like, you need to understand, guys. The broker that you use has got 60% chances of influencing whether or not you make money in Forex or you don't. 60%. That's how much I assume, or that's how much I've calculated. Because the strategy has a certain percentage, your psychology has a certain percentage, but the broker, has 60% chances, right? And you need to understand stuff as well. Like, I'm not going to talk about this trade in particular because you see where I got it from. You see the setup on the top there. Of course, there's other factors that you need to put into consideration, because if you just trade M's and W's alone, you won't be consistent. There's things that we look at before we actually take the M or the W setup that we see. And there's a lot of things that as well I'm putting onto modifying my strategy in a sense. For those of you who keep asking me, it's a real account. Now the thing is this: watch what I'm about to show you now. Why are you losing money? Look at the spread in this particular instance. The spread is extreme for this particular pair on this particular broker. And the second thing is, you look at the matching level, which means the leverage. This broker, what they did, they increased the leverage, or that rather they decreased the leverage for every XAU USD pair, on their platform, and they decreased the margins. Like, in a sense, what they're doing is there is low leverage for you to buy or sell this particular pair or trade this particular pair. At the same time, they've also increased the spreads extremely high, because under normal circumstances, this is a 22,000 euros account. Look at this, the size of look at the volume of the trades. 5 standards, 2 standards, 1 in total it's 8 standards, less than 10 standards. And when I'm trading, I open big standards. On this particular broker, I'm not allowed to do that. Now, if you come to this broker and you start trading only this pair, you're not going to be making money the way you should be making money, because it takes time, number one, for the trades to come into profit, and secondly, it's difficult, because we are day traders. You understand? But in any case, I'm a rock star. That's what I do every time. I'm a rock star. That's what I do. And I teach this to my mentees to say, this is what you should be dealing with. I know there's other brokers. This is just one of those brokers I use when I'm trying to, do some things, because we opened a Euro account in this particular one. But I normally guide my students and say, these are things that I guide them, even the brokers that you should be using. I think before tomorrow, there will be a link on our website on when you want to join a good broker. I'll try and look for a good broker for everybody and recommend you guys to that broker, so that you don't have a problem. There will be a link on my website. I'm gonna try and upload it maybe tomorrow or so, because I know quite good brokers out there. But in any case, you need to understand, how much pips, like, you see how much pips this market has moved in my favor. But then the profit is not that much. I could have doubled this account if they had given me according to my way of trading, but they don't have that for me. So, man, it's bad. In any case, God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Rockstar, Forex Rockstar, signing out.